Hello and welcome. In this video, we will introduce the new FortiAI framework in FortiManager 8.0.0 based on the MCP agent architecture. The Model Context Protocol standardizes how AI systems access external tools and data and is widely adopted across the industry. By leveraging MCP, FortiManager gains key benefits including interoperability, scalability, consistency, and future readiness. The MCP framework also decouples tool and data servers from aging clients, enabling cross-product data access and the ability to share without requiring users to log in to each product's UI. In version 8.0 GA release, 6 new FortiAI agents are introduced: Device Management Agent, Firewall Policy Agent, CLI Script Agent, VPN/the SD-WAN Troubleshooting Agent, Provisioning Agent, and General Agent. Users can select a specific agent via the Select One FortiAI Agent button or submit queries directly to the agent orchestrator in the FortiManager GUI backend, which automatically routes requests to the appropriate agent. Each FortiAI agent provides a set of sample questions for user reference. Here, Device Management Agent is selected via the Select One FortiAI Agent button. There are some sample questions. Let's ask FortiAI, what's the status of the FortiGate VM 135? It may take some time to return the answer. And now the results are returned, where it gives us the sync status, connectivity, and policy package status. FortiAI then provides some follow-up questions. Now let's ask the next question. Show me the last 10 tasks of FGVM 135. It returns the details of last 10 tasks performed by this VM in a table format, along with a summary of these tasks. Again, it provides some follow-up questions. Now let's look into FortiAI Firewall Policy Agent feature, which helps users search for policies using simple questions. Switch to the Firewall Policy Agent and use either sample or simple questions defined by you. Here you can see matching policies by source and destination IP, helping filter specific policy for review or troubleshooting traffic. Also, users can use follow-up questions to view policy details as shown here. We can audit policies using sample questions as well. All the results give a brief overview and recommendations on how policies impact traffic, highlighting overly permissive rules and helping ensure traffic is filtered as intended. We can also view policy hits using sample questions, and we can edit, delete, or move policies, among other actions using the FortiAI Firewall Policy Agent. Moving forward, we'll demonstrate how to leverage a CLI script agent. While these templates provide a great starting point, let's manually define a prompt to see how FortiAI script agent handles unique requirements. At this stage, we prompted FortiAI to generate a custom CLI script based on our requirements. Once the script is generated, you have the option to copy the code or save it directly as a CLI script or template. So let's save this. Once saved, our CLI script is immediately available within the script section of the device manager. From here, we can validate the script syntax to ensure accuracy before execution. The process is just as seamless for Jinja templates. We simply have to provide our desired prompt to generate a CLI template, then click this button to save it as a CLI template. The generated Jinja template is now accessible via the CLI tab under Provisioning Templates. Now let's look at the Provisioning Agent and the VPN Troubleshooting Agent. When chosen, this feature presents a set of simple questions to help users quickly use VPN and AI capabilities, such as creating IPsec tunnels, adding devices to an existing VPN site or IPsec template, or diagnosing tunnel status. If you need more choices, click on the Provision Agent. Otherwise, the default agent will be used. At an instance when your tunnel has some issue, you can diagnose tunnel status by choosing the VPN Troubleshooting Agent. We will choose the question to diagnose why my VPN tunnel is having issues. Then choose the devices and VPN tunnels from the drop-down menus. FortiAI will diagnose phase 1 and 2, IKE configuration and policies, log status, and create a diagnosis report. Now let's see the SD-WAN agent. Let's create new SD-WAN overlay template using FortiAI. These sample questions provide great convenience as they help us seamlessly generate our overlay template. The SD-WAN agent guides you through the end-to-end configuration process, improving efficiency and reducing configuration errors. With this, we conclude this video where we've learned about the new FortiAI MCP-based agent architecture and workflow in FortiManager 8.0. Thank you for watching.